In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a background image, also called making it parallax. As you can see, the background image here stays put as the text scrolls over top, and the next section's white space comes over top as well. And I've even parallaxed these service background images as well. As you can see, they stay still as the content scrolls over top of them. I'm going to show you how to do both of those things in this tutorial. This tutorial is part of the Elementor Skills playlist where you gain a solid foundation in Elementor so you can build better and bigger websites. That playlist is linked to in the description down below, so make sure you check it out after you watch this video. And if you have any questions or comments about this specific video, please leave them down below. I try to answer the best I can. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WP Learning Lab, where we help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, for your customers, and for your business. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get started. The first thing we have to do is open a page that has a background image that we want to have fixed or parallaxed. Both mean the same thing. So we're going to open pages and we're going to go to the home page because we have a nice big hero image at the top that we can fix in the background. This is the one I mean right here, these mountains. So right now when I scroll down, the mountains and the words, they all scroll up at the same speed, just like you'd expect on any normal website. If I click on the 6 dots up here, I can go into the settings for the section, and that image is a background in the section. We can see it right here under the Style tab. Now under Attachment, it's set to scroll. If I set it to Fixed, watch what happens. When I scroll, the image stays put. That is a fixed background image. It is a super great effect. I like it a lot. Super great. Now you might think the only place you can do it is in a big hero image like that. That's not true. We can do it on these little images as well. Click on the icon for the column. We see it's a background image. This needs to be a background image to be parallaxed or fixed. Under Attachment, go to Fixed. We see the image changes because it has to. I'll explain why in just a minute. Let's go to this one and move this to Fixed as well. And then this one, change this to Fixed as well. It's not that the image changes. The image zooms in. Before, we had the entire image in this area. The box contained the image. But then you can't have the image stay put and you scroll up and down, as you can see in this example here. The image has to exist at the very top of the page. And if we scroll down, the image has to exist at the very bottom of the page, otherwise you just get a blank screen. So to have these images appear at the top and the bottom, we have to stretch them out. These ones are a little bit pixelated, but the point is that you can fix or parallax any image on your site that is a background image. This Elementor video is part of my Elementor Skills playlist where we cover lots of the basics in Elementor to help you get up and running with Elementor as fast as possible. If you want to check out that playlist, it's a link to in the description down below and probably in a card up above somewhere during this video. So check out that. And if you don't have Elementor Pro yet, click the link in the description down below to get yourself a copy. It is an affiliate link, so if you buy through that link, I do get a commission, and it does not make it more expensive for you. It's just that Elementor shares that referral income with me. And that's what helps me keep making these videos for free and putting them up on YouTube so you can get better at WordPress and Elementor. So if you buy through that link down below, I really appreciate it. And next up, check out the Elementor Skills playlist right here, which I referenced throughout this video. If you watch those videos, your Elementor skills will be increased. So if you want to get better, watch that playlist. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WP Learning Lab. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.